Oh yeah, you guys come check these guys out for all your automotive needs here in Fresno, California. Smog Plus Auto Repair. They do smogs, they do welds, automotive repair. They do it all. Tire changes, AC service, replacing cats, doing exhausts. There's all the tires over there. They resurface brakes, everything. It's an all one-stop shop. Come check them out. Yeah, got my baby up and running, nice and certified. By running, I mean smog. Now I'm ready to take that sucker and get it transferred. Sweet. Make sure you check them out. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.